Watch this very important video to see why your Facebook ads are not delivering. There can be several reasons. Here are some of them. Number 1, your ads got disapproved. Well, if your ads are disapproved, it will not deliver. Number 2, your ads are still in review process. Usually the review can take a few hours. It can take up to a day. But after 24 hours, they are still not approved. You will need to get in touch with support or republish them. Number 3, your ad quality is low. Number 4, too much text on your ad. This used to be an issue in the past, but nowadays it's not much of an issue. Number 5, you've reached your spending limit. So if your ad account is having a certain limit, a budget threshold, if the account has reached that threshold, then it will not spend anymore. Number 6, your bid is too low. Number 7, optimization goal is hard to reach. So if you have set up a cost cap or if you have set up a optimization goal that is hard to reach, Facebook will not deliver the ads. For example, if you have a new ad account and if you are doing purchase, most of the time the ads will work, but sometimes the ads will not deliver because optimization goal is hard to reach. Maybe the budget is not enough. Number 8, low ad relevance. Number 9, overlapping audience. Number 10, scheduling issues. Number 11, your audience is too narrow. Number 12, low quality landing page. If Facebook detects that your landing page is not good, it might not deliver your ads. Write in the comment if this video was useful. Subscribe if you would like to see similar content.